Today I'll be making some dioxane from ethylene glycol that I got out of antifreeze. You only need two ingredients, which is ethylene glycol and sulfuric acid. I'm just using some store-bought sulfuric acid. If you have higher concentrated, that'll work better, but it's a really easy to do reaction and doesn't really take that high purity sulfuric acid. Into a 1000 milliliter round bottom boiling flask, I'm adding about 250 milliliters of ethylene glycol. And 50 milliliters of sulfuric acid. You really should be wearing gloves for this, but I'm not, because I'm dumb. Adding in a stir bar, and with camera magic, distillation apparatus. So we'll crank up the heat, turn on the stirring. So what's happening is the ethylene glycol is bonding with another ethylene glycol to make the dioxane. And when that's made, it'll distill off through the column into here, along with water, because the boiling point of the dioxane is 1 degree Celsius higher than water. Just started getting some distillate over. I'm probably gonna throw away about from here down and let the rest collect and see how much I get. The benefit of doing it from the distilled ethanol glycol instead of just using, which you can use, the antifreeze is this won't leave as much. It will still leave tar, but it won't leave as much tar as using the antifreeze is, because it cooks down into basically pure carbon and it sticks to everything in there. And I did that one time and I was not happy about it. I threw away the first little bit, so I got that much. And as you can see, even though I started out with two clear liquids, we still end up with a little bit of black tar, which is fine. We just have to be very careful with the temperatures, and if it starts pulling over, I'll burn myself ripping that out because I don't want to mess this up again. Or I'll just drain it all and stop it, which is my plan. So if it does start pulling over, have something under it, drain it all, stop it when it gets black stuff in it. But one thing that I think is really cool is when it goes through this condenser, it kind of ripples like that. Just so you know, this is usually not a good sign. I think I got it under control, but yeah. And we lost quite a lot of volume and gained not very much volume, so we're losing a lot to the air. So I should either, my condenser's not too hot. This isn't coming over too hot. I might put some ice in this water bath to make it cooler, but I don't know yet. And to stop the formation of this, I guess, vapor, all you do is turn off the stirring. Because watch what happens when I turn it on. You can kind of see. It adds more to it. And you'll know to stop when it goes. Let's see if I can get it focused on this. Or it's just under 100. When it starts rising above 100, say, you just keep it around 110. If it goes anything higher than 110, you're gonna cut it off because it's gonna be just distilling over the ethylene glycol. Alright, I cut off the heat because I don't want it to be that hard to clean out. But we got that much, and we're still getting some over. This is my entire yield from 2 runs. The first one was barely about this much though, so the rest of that, which the first one is where all this yellow color is coming from anyways, but Next video, I'm going to be distilling this and this. That's only next video because I have to clean that out. I don't feel like doing that right now, so it's going to be tomorrow after doing after work. But it's going to be distilling the dioxane through that, hopefully leaving behind all that yellow contaminate, and then cleaning it up after that. And this, I don't know what that is. I'm not going to put that in here. Oh well. Thanks for watching.